video, I'm going to tell you why I've opened a brand new position in Microsoft and why I believe it's one of the best companies in the world. Jumping into some of the fundamentals, Microsoft pays a dividend of 0.87% and it also has a PE ratio of 30, which isn't necessarily cheap, but it's not as high as it has been. But their forward PE ratio of 26 looks a lot more attractive, but it's still not as low as some tech companies such as Google. And as you can see here, this is a chart of the historic PE ratio and it's kind of near the top. Like companies like MasterCard, which have such a huge economic moat, I do think these premiums are sometimes justifiable. One thing I really like about Microsoft is their sticky ecosystem. Once you're in it, you're kind of stuck. I also like how they aren't solely reliant on one single software. They're very diversified. I know a lot of the money comes from Microsoft 365, but they also have things such as LinkedIn. Of course, all these different subscription services are really great for monthly recurring revenue, which helps to create consistent cash flow, which is great for investors. But probably my favorite thing about this company is the net margins, which currently sit at 35%. Another thing that excites me about Microsoft is Microsoft Azure, which is currently growing at about 31% in the past quarter. It currently owns about 23% of the cloud market. Microsoft are also investing billions of dollars into AI and actually invested a lot of money into OpenAI, which is of course, the owner of ChatGPT. Similar to companies like Apple, Microsoft are quite a mature company, so they're not growing the fastest, and in the last quarter they grew around 12%. In the quarter before that they did grow at 16%, which is a lot better. If you're looking for a company that is going to grow 15% plus, then you might want to look towards companies such as Google. If you're looking for a stock that you want to buy and hold for the long term that can be a steady compounder, then I do think Microsoft is still a good buy. But at its current valuation of $380 per share, I do think there are better stocks to buy in the market. The reason I'm adding it to my portfolio is just another way to diversify into high quality companies that I can buy and own forever. Or at least I hope so. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more finance videos, make sure to follow my page and double tap the screen.